Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you all to the channel Hospitality World Guide. So friends, by saying introduction to beer, I mean to say you will get to know things like what are different ingredients used to manufacture beer, its manufacturing process, different styles of beer, different beer producing nations and their brand names. Beer is a much more complex drink than many of us do realize. We can also say that beer is the juice of the great earth. It is also said that its colors ranging from deep copper and ruby black to pale yellow reflect the passing of different seasons. It is one of the alcoholic beverages which is very widely popular all over the world in today's generation. In the classification of alcoholic beverages, it belongs to the category of fermented alcoholic beverages. Majority of the beer do have an alcohol strength of 4 to 8% ABV, which means alcohol by volume, though there are many exceptions which do have ABV in the range of 10 to 40%. Different ingredients used for the manufacturing of beer are water, barley or malt, hops, yeast, and different other ingredients like adjuncts, sugar, preservatives, spices, herbs, fruits, honey, flavor enhancers, etc. are also used. So friends, moving forward to the question, what is beer? Beer can be defined as an alcoholic beverage made by brewing and fermenting malted barley and sometimes other cereals with addition of hops, which is added to flavor and stabilize it. A grain has to undergo a complex series of changes like germination, roasting, mashing, etc. to reach the glass of the drinkers. Each beer has its own signature combination of different types of malt. Beer manufacturing process includes steps like malting, mashing, lautering, brewing, fermenting, racking, beer conditioning, secondary fermentation, clarifying, pasteurizing, carbonating, and bottling. Beer is the world's oldest and widely consumed beverage. In case of beer without barley and yeast, alcohol cannot be prepared. Ethyl alcohol is the thing which makes people drunk. Beer is available in various different styles all over the world, like ale, lager, black beer, dry beer, chili beer, cream beer, heavy, ice beer, Irish ale, Greek, lambic, light, mild, pilsner, porter, root beer, etc. Some of the beer brewing nations are USA, India, UK, Australia, Japan, Germany, Mexico, South Africa, Ireland, Netherlands, etc. Some of the famous international beer brands are Heineken, Carlsberg, Corona, Kingfisher, Miller, Budweiser, Foster's, Bud Light, Castle, Kirin, etc. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, so please do like and share the video and subscribe the channel Hospitality World Guide to watch other related videos.